welcome. I'm Kristen, and tonight we're going to go in with the grilled chicken and veggies. My chicken marinated in the Lowry's garlic and herb, and I wrapped the corn and the potatoes in tin foil, and then the grill did the rest of the work. I did throw on an extra few pieces of chicken for Monday night's dinner, just so that Monday is going to be a simple dinner. Even if you don't like to grill or you don't have a grill, you can still make this meal by throwing it in the oven or the air fryer. If you don't like corn on the cob or you don't like baked potato, throw on whatever vegetables you like to eat. Another reason I like to go ahead and cook my meat and then refrigerate it is because it's so much easier to cut cold chicken. If you like your meat fresh, then go ahead and skip that and cook it on Monday. To top my potato, I went ahead and threw a little bit of butter on it, some pepper, some Tony's seasoning, some cheese, and of course topped it off with some green onion. Roll it back up in the tinfoil and let everything get happy. Green onions will go bad really quick in the fridge if you don't go ahead and prep them and get them into some type of a container. But let me tell you, this is like a staple in my house. You have to have some green onion because the flavor that it brings, you don't want to be sleeping on that one. The green onions not only taste great on the baked potato, but it also complements that barbecue so good. I take some of this garlic and herb Land O'Lakes butter and put it on there, and honestly, I don't know if you're supposed to do it before you put it on the grill or after. I've tried it both ways and I can't tell the difference, but this butter makes really good garlic toast as well. I made some pre-made garlic toast that we already had in the freezer, but that butter really does make some great garlic toast. That's it for this week. Tomorrow I'll be posting the preview and the prep for next week's meals. If you haven't already, head over to my Patreon. Tomorrow I'll be posting the new grocery list for next week's meals. Grab your download, get your groceries, and come back on Monday for grilled chicken, baked beans, and a baked potato. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.